Good morning, Indira Shah here. Today I'll be preparing avrekai. This is avrekai mochakote in Tamil. Okay, this sambar we call it as hitik bele saru in Kannada. Okay, what you need to do is you have to remove the seeds like this and then put it in water for at least for 4 to 5 hours. After putting in water, soaking it in water for 5 to 6 hours, you need to peel like this. Are you able to see? See, you're peeling here. Here, you have to peel like this. But it has to soak at least for 5 to 6 hours. So after peeling, what you should do, this is called as hitik bele. Hitiko means peeling, pressing and peeling. So I have already pressed and peeled almost 1 kilo of avrekai or mochakote. Okay, this you have to boil outside, not in cooker. It should be just cooked, that's all. Just you have to cook it. You should not, it should not get mashed. Add salt and little haldi and cook it. And then for grinding, as usual, you need dhania. Then you need chana dal. I'll repeat again. I have taken 1 tablespoon of this dhania, okay, and then just 1 teaspoon of chana dal, then cinnamon a little, okay, and then red chilies according to taste. I have taken both Badgi and Salem, and then you need, first you have to fry all these things with a drop of oil till brown. You have to fry, and then add, I have taken 1 big onion, this, and then tomato for sourness. We are not going to add tamarind juice or lemon or anything. So we are adding tomato and ginger for taste. Plus, this may create gas. The avrekai will create gas. So that is the reason we add the ginger, and then coconut. Okay. Now you have to, after frying all these things, add the ginger, onion, tomato. Once all these things are fried, then you can add this and then fry and then grind it to your fine paste. Now what we shall do is, we shall cook this, okay. I have grounded the masala. Now let me just grind it to a, I have fried the masala. Let me grind it to a fine paste. If you want, you can add water also while grinding. I'll come back to you. Here the masala has been grounded, and here see. Okay, now you have to mix this with this cooked avrekai. Okay, now let me mix it. Here I have added the water, and I'll just put on the stove. Okay, allow it to boil. In the meantime, I'll make a tadka. Okay, tadka, you need mustard, then you need haldi, and then you need curry leaves, and then you have to fry just a half a piece of onion. You have to cut them into slice and then fry and pour it in this. Okay, so now let me just show you how to make a tadka. See, the consistency should be like this, because this mainly will taste very good with ragi ball, ragi mudde we say, or it can even go very well with hot rice, just cooked rice. It's taste awesome. We call it as hitik bele saru. So let me just make the tadka now. Here it's boiling, so let me just put off the stove. I'll make a fine tadka now. I have added mustard. Now let me add the onion, then the curry leaves. We'll just fry till the onion becomes brown. Here the tadka is over. Let me put it to the hitik bele saru. Here. Trust me, the hitik bele saru will be very tasty if you eat with ragi ball or with hot rice, or even with dosa and idli. It tastes awesome. Many times, we make idli dosa just for, to eat with this hitik bele saru. This is the avrekai, I told you. So thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and press the like and the like button, and please share it with your friends and relatives, and press the bell button for notification, because I'm coming up with many more exciting videos on cooking, gardening, beauty tips and home front. Thank you very much. Bye bye. This is Vitvela.